So I'll be showing you how to see which apps have access to your location on your Dell laptop. So assuming your Dell laptop is also running Windows operating system, what you need to do is simply go to the Start button and then click on Settings. Under Settings, on the left-hand side, find Privacy and Security. Click on that. And then under Privacy and Security, if you scroll, you should see Location. So click on that. And then here, first of all, you have location enabled, as you can see. If it's disabled, then you'll be able to see. But as soon as it's enabled like that, you can actually see which specific apps have access to your location. So for instance, you can see the camera app has access to my location. I'm just going to go ahead and turn that off if you want to. And you can go and grant specific apps permissions, and you can revoke location permission for specific applications. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.